He says, Bhagavan Karunya, Bhagavan Karunya va Bhakta Karunya. Hetu Lobaika, I'd say only. Hetuka Lobaika. The Hetu Lobaika. The only Loba. The only cause of greed is the Karunya, the compassion or kripa of God or a devotee. God is devotee, devotee is God. Guru is God, God is Guru. On one level. Okay, Guru is representative of God. We know that. He's a Jivatma, he's not Bhagavan. He's not Sarvaishvarya Purna. He's a Jiva. But we worship as God, we honor as God, we respect as God. Sakshat Hari. In a Vaishnava line, we have one bhajan we sing. Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad. Sakshat Daritve Nasamasa Shastra. Samasta Shastra, all the Shastras are telling Sakshat Hari, Sakshat Ram, Sakshat Vishnu, Sakshat Hari. Guru is Sakshat, he's directly, fully, 100%. So just start, and the magic does its own magic. You go to the doctor, you complain about this or that, heavy disease, he gives you some pill. Do you understand the pharmacology? Do you understand the pharmacology? Or how these chemicals are put together, or how it's interacting with the biosystems of your body? How it's interacting with the cells and the cell? You don't know. You take this pill, the goli, and tin bad, swast ho jayega. You're healthy. So there's no greater medicine. This is the param oshadi, param dawa. This is Ras Lila Kata, Radha Krishna Lila Kata. There's no higher Kata, there's no greater medicine. Just immerse yourself in it. That's what it says it's quoted there also in 10th chapter Bhagavatam 33-39. He says, Rid rogam kamam, achirena vidonotis. He said, very quickly, rid rogam, calm. I have a heart disease of lust. I'm so lusty. I have one wife, but I want 6 more. Acha? Slow down, man. Take 4. Take 4 and be good. Take 4 and be good. No, it's not good. The wife's not good either. It's good. Bhagavan is B&B. B&B is very good. Bhajan and Bhagavan. Be sadhu, be sadvi. But until then, until that janam, until that time, be Goswami, be Grihasti, be Brahmachari, but someday be Niskinchan sadhu, Vairagi sadhu. Only Keval Ek Chinta, Bhagavan, Ram, Sham, Ram, Sham, Krishna, Radha, Sita. No other Icha, no other Chinta, no other Abhilash. Desire, thought. This is a city. This is city. Perfection. Lakhs and lakhs of janam. Many births. Dire. Make advances slow by slow. Just start. Karo. You're coming here, you're looking at me, you're reading this book, I bless you. I pray to Radharani. May this person be successful in the practice of the rag mark. You just go on. Don't be crazy. Oh, okay. Today I'm sannyasi. Acha. Tomorrow you're Vishay. Yesterday you're Vishayi. Now today you're sannyasi and you're my husband. No. I met this. What he said I should be sannyasi. So I'm sannyasi. Hey. No artificial. Not just. Don't like Prabhupada used to say. Srila Prabhupada. Don't change anything. Just add Krishna. So I agree with this. Don't change anything, just add rag.